Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is 29th March 2021. Today we're doing the page number 6 and 7 of Countdown Book 4. So students, open your page number 6. Today we do the exercise 1A, filling the blanks in 49,852,610. The place value of ring digit is unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 800,000. In 5,200,000 unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 200,000 plus unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000. 0, 10,000 plus thousands plus 400 plus 9 is equal to 5, 2, 0, 0, 4, 5, 9. Insert space to express and is a value in international number systems. First we write 725 space 895 space 213. The predecessors of unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 800 unit, 10, 100,000. 1,000 and 1 is even the predecessors. We less than the, here is a value and we less the 1 in it, like this. First you write the value, after that to less the 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. We write here 0 as it is, 0 as it is, 1 as it is, 0, 0 and 8. Our answer is 8000100. The successors of, here is a value. When we find the successors, we add the 1 in it. First you write the value, after that you add the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. We write here 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. We write here 0, 1 carry. 9 plus 1 is 10. We write here 0, 1 carry. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1, 3, 2. Our answer is 2317000. Our second question is, state whether the following are true or false. The predecessors of unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 60 millions is unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100 million, 10 million. 60 millions. 999 is false. The successors of, here is a value, unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. 100 unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 89 million. 561,000. 100 is unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. 100 unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 89 million. 561,200 is false. A number at 1 million place has 6 zeros in its digit, in its right. True. Place value is the value of the positions of a digit in a number is true. The place value of 6 in unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 is 600,000. True. Question number 3 is select the correct answer from the given options. The predecessors of unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 61 million. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 15,000. 999 is 6 million. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100, 15,000, 998. 8,490,000 in figure as 80,490,000. The successor of unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 5 million. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 49,062,111 is unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. 54,962,112. Our D part is unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 8,466,110 written as the expanded form in option number B. The predecessors of unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 7 million. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 843,002 is option number 1. Unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 7,843,001. Write the given number in words. We write the given numbers in words. We first you read it. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 3 million. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, 140 million. You solve all these questions like this. Go to your page number 7, question number 5, and write the figures with correct spacing. 9 million. First we write here 9 space 0 again space, and we write the 30. 24 millions, 24, you write first to 24 space 30, and after that 30. You solve all these questions like this. Question number 6, write the given number in words. First we write the number. Now you count unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 1 million. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. 200. 89,000. And 56. You write like this. You solve all these questions like this example. Write the place value of the circle digit. Here is the circle digits. Unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 80 million. Second is unit 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, 0, 100,000. You solve all these questions for this example. Write the predecessors of. When we write the predecessors, we subtract -1. Like these examples, we subtract -1, and after that the given value is here. Write the successors of the. When we write the successors, we add the +1. In predecessors we subtract -1. In successors we add +1.